Vesela sem, da lahko danes z vami delim svoje mnenje. To si zaslužijo vsi moji vrstniki, a kljub naporom mnogi te možnosti nimajo. Več kot 150 mladih iz 38 držav nas je v Ljubljano prišlo z namenom, da jasno in glasno opozorimo.
So there are many ways of being disadvantaged, and our rigid systems, like very stiff school systems, don't allow such deviations, so often discriminate and discourage young people.
I always have to apply, for a visa in order to travel somewhere, so it's quite exhausting because you have to have, all the documentation and you have to pay for that, and it's not fair.
Housing, we have a very big problem with housing because prices are rise up a lot, and young people, we don't have the means to be autonomous, basically.
Poverty, a lot of people don't have the chance or the opportunity to integrate into the system politically.
And I think the most problem is that most people don't get in touch with people with fewer possibilities.
Verjetno se strinjate, da te zgodbe niso samo njihove, so tudi naše in vaše. Zato jih moramo rešiti skupaj.
The idea with brainstorming is that you should get out everything that's in your head.
In veste, naša spoznanja niso gradovi v oblakih, so čisto konkretna pričakovanja.
I would like from the EU a formal recognition of non-formal education.
Results, evaluation.
We want to have friendship, action and changing the world.
Real participation.
Active youth policy.
Education is the most important thing for the future of Europe.
And participatory democracy.
Tako, zdaj veste. Nekaj pa vam še dolgujem. Povedati namreč, kdo sem. Sem Martina, mlada gospodičina, ki jo vidite. Zelo dobro vem, kaj govorim. Najslabše je, če mlademu človeku vzamejo upanje. Zato verjamem v iskrenost obljub, ki sem jih slišala.
I want to encourage you that your dialogue is real, concrete, constructive and committing for some concrete actions. And dialogue is important in schools, in the streets, in the companies, workplaces. Then we have cohesive societies. If it is only family photo we have now planned, it's not enough. If it is only summit with nice declarations and not real implementation, it's a problem. Sunday speeches and Monday realities, yeah.